Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. Now, in this one, I will be explaining you again about Quant and why I think you should be investing some of your money into Quant if you're not already doing, because this project is absolutely booming and I think it has a massive potential in the next market rally to, maybe even 100x or a 500x in the next market rally. Now, those are some really big numbers, but I think Quant is a very large scale project and big money will be flowing into this project, which will be giving you those high X gains. Now, guys, if you take a look, I had already mentioned Quant 5 days ago. So, keep that in mind. And today is the 28th or say 27th. Actually, I'm recording this video right now. So I had mentioned this coin on 22nd of December. By the way, guys, if you haven't already, make sure to drop a like and subscribe. As you can see, I'm really happy that we are now on 900 subscribers, and now our immediate next target is to get into those four figures, which is of 1000 subscribers. Also, if you haven't already, make sure to join the Discord community. We are talking a lot in there, and discussing crypto altcoins and getting to know each other in general. So it is a really good way to get to know your audience, and I think I'm doing my all to try to grow the community. So make sure to join it. The link is in the description and it's absolutely free. You don't need to pay anything right now to join. So guys, as you can see right now, Quant is up by nearly 5% in the last 24 hours. It has a market cap of roughly $1.6 billion, which is absolutely insane. Now, if you take a look over to its trading volume, it is also on the higher end of about 50 million in 24 hours, which is really good. Its max supply is really low. Now, if you take a look over to its max supply, you can see it is under 15 million Quant. So that means only 15 million tokens will be available to the public, and as the token get more scarce, more demand is there, the price of the Quant will keep on getting higher and higher. Now, this is something which not a lot of cryptos are doing. For example, Ethereum has unlimited supply, so you can Ethereum can be made and infinitely, just like the US dollar, which is being printed almost daily, and there is no limit to the supply. Now, guys, if you take a look over to its chart, we can see in the last 7 days, so in the 22nd, which is right about here, so that was like the absolute bottom. And in my video as well, the price of Quant was about $102, and right now, as you can see, in the last 5 days, it had a really good pump. Not a big pump, I will say, because this coin is already really big. As you already know, it's a rank 30 crypto with a huge market cap, so you can't be expecting like 100x or 5x in just 1 to 2 days. But I think it's a pretty decent gain for anyone who are invested into it, because I think the scope in this project should be for the longer term and not for the shorter term. But still, some gains are really good, and who doesn't like 15% investment gain in just like about 5 to 6 days, if I'm not wrong. So that is really good. If you take a look over to its all-time highs, you can see it is down by roughly 74% from its all-time high. So that is absolutely insane, because I think this coin will be going back to its all-time high in the next market rally. And it should be, my price targets personally are about $1,500 to $2,000 in the next market rally, which will be like a 10 to 20x from right now. The early investors are still up, guys. Yeah, the early investors are up nearly 500%, or say 500x of their money. For example, if you had invested $1,000 into Quant when it was at its all-time low, you will your $1,000 will be worth about 500k, which is absolutely insane, and it's life-changing money for every person around the world, regardless of their age, their income, or the country they live in. 500k is a lot of money in every part of the world. So guys, if you take a look over to its website, now I'm not going to be going in depth about Quant, just because I've already mentioned everything in my previous videos. But I mean, you should take a look over to its website and see what they are basically doing and how big money will be flowing into this project. The simplest thing is big money only flows into things, or say big money is only there only certain assets, or say certain institutions have big money. So as you can see, Quant serves banks big money, asset managers, another source of big money, and financial institutions. So all these three things, they hold a massive supply of money, and they have the power to, print more money as well. Banks are closely related to the governments, and some people even go as far to say that governments and banks are pretty much the same thing. So if government says print more money, banks do it. And you shouldn't be thinking that banks are all plain and transparent like they claim to be, because in today's reality they are really not like that. It is pretty open, and it is not that transparent as people might claim it to be. So banks have a lot of money, and that money could be flowing into Quant, because this is a website, or say this is a project built to serve them. So to make their job easier, to help them with various things. So that is all Quant is doing, and I think that is the main reason this project has the maximum potential for the next market rally. Because in the next market rally, people who just invest into some random shit coins won't be getting like 100x or insane amount of gains on their money. But the people who invest after researching a project and thinking, okay, who is the project serving, how can we get big money into this project, and when they discover all those factors, you get to a point where there are only like 5 to 10 coins in the crypto space you should be investing your money into. 100x gains or 500x gains are really good, but the chances of you hitting that, or chances of you getting that, is very, very, very slim. So not every coin is going to be 500x, because it's a player to player. As Andrew Tate says, if you buy at $1 and sell at $100, so there will be a guy who will be buying from you at $100 price mark. So you are exiting at 100x, but that person is investing into the coin thinking it is just at the bottom, and now his $100 will be turning into $10,000 or $1,000. I hope I made some sense over there, because I really like this point and I just wanted to let you all in on that. So guys, here you can see who we serve: financial institutions, big money, enterprises, developers, partners, and big money. Like that is the most efficient way to look at the project. Like, are big companies going to be supporting this project? If yes, then you should be looking further into the project and thinking what they are basically doing. So what are they doing? They're solving pressing problems in the finance niche for digital currencies, payments, supply chain, trade finance, capital markets, compliance, insurance, and much more. Big things. I am sure some of you might not even know what compliance or insurance even covers, or supply chain and trade finance means. But these are all the things these big companies are looking to get help for, and Quant is helping that. So I mean, they are basically, Quant is a platform where all these issues can be solved, because they are creating solutions for that, which is absolutely insane. Now how they will be doing, they will be creating different products, networks, ecosystem, which is really, really cool. Why it matters, so you can read all the things on over here. You can use you can check out its use cases, research, perspectives, everything is about over here. From here you can also check out the mission and values. I Every time I go deep into a project, the first thing I do is to check out their missions and their values. Now if a project does not have a mission or see a goal, I really think that a project is just moving in a like a whale who is not really going anywhere. It does not really know where it needs to go for finding food, and just like that. So I think a mission and a goal is really, really important, and them mentioning this on their website is really, really cool. The second thing is values. Now if a project does not have any morals, or say values or ethics, that is something which is really, really negative for me, because I am a really because I'm a kind of person who believes in a values, or who believes in values, who believes in motives, who believes in faith. So I think these are some really good points. Again, leadership, you can check out the whole team from over here, which is really good. They also have a contact section from over here, so you can contact them if you have any issues, or if you're a big company and you want to get onto their platform, which is really good. I'm sure that if you contact them right now, the response time might be like 24 hours, 1 week, but they will be getting back to you, which is something even Ethereum or Bitcoin are not really doing. So they are not getting any feedback from the community, they are not really solving any issues. But when a cryptocurrency is doing that, that is really good, because you get to know about people's opinion on your project. They might even share some insights to you, which you won't have access to even though you are the creator. So that is really good. Now guys, that is gonna be pretty much it from this video. So in the end, I just want to do a price prediction real quick on why I think Quant is where Quant is basically going in the next market rally. So these short-term pumps are really good, if you want to stack them up, what a lot of people do. So that is completely okay. You don't need to be afraid of yourself, or say be guilty. You can take those short-term gains, invest your money into a different coin, and move forward from over there. But if you want to invest into a project which is established really beautifully, and the tokenomics are good, the market cap is already built up, the trading volume is good, I would suggest you to put in about 10 quant, which is around currently I think it should be like wait, let me just check real quick. So what happens if you buy 10 quant? So 10 quant is approximately $1100, which is a lot of money for some of the people. But you should be DCing into quant, try to gather as much as possible, and I'm sure it will be a top 5 crypto in the next market rally for sure. So my price targets are 1500 to $2000. So that is my range on when I will be looking to sell quant. Of course, if I feel that quant is going to be going even up than that, I would hold on to my investment for even longer periods of time. But that is my exit strategy up till right now. Now, me personally, I already have about 50-ish quant. I'm not sure if it's 56 or 58, but that's how much quant I have right now. I'm investing daily into quant, so I'm DCAing. I'm investing about $10 to $20 every single day into quant, or weekly sometimes, if the price is going sideways for a long period of time. So I'm increasing my investment in quant daily, and I expect to invest about 100 quant, which at this price moment is about $11,000, which is a huge sum of money. And I think I should be seeing a potential increase in this money. It should be going to about 100k or 200k in the next market rally if things go as planned for quant. So yeah guys, that is gonna be pretty much it from this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, make sure to drop a like on this video, share it among your friends in your Discord groups, because I know a lot of you all are in the Discord. So make sure to share it in your Discord group, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notifications, and thanks a lot for watching the video till now, because not a lot of people do that. So yeah guys, catch you all in the next one. Peace out.